Hi, welcome to the other video. We are going to talk about Gen AI labels on Pinterest. There is some news I want to share with you because it's great. And Pinterest was announcing this just some time before, some weeks before that they are going to do it. And now we can really see that you can actually adjust the settings for your AI images on Pinterest and what you're going to see in the home feed. So maybe you have noticed in the past that there are certain AI labels on pins. So if the system, like Pinterest system, will detect that AI is used to generate or modify Pinterest pin image, which is not in promotion or campaigns, you will see like an AI modify label or AI created label on the bottom left. So when you see and click on the pin, so when you see just on the home feed, you don't see this label, but when you click on the pin, you actually see created or modified by AI. So that's just to like recognize what is the like if you want to see only the images created or modified by AI, or if you really want to see just real images, authentic, which were just created by someone or taken pictures by someone who actually didn't use any AI. So I have here some pins. I was searching for some AI created images, and I found in the decoration, fall decoration, this image, this pin. So you can see it's a 47 stunning do-it-yourself fall centerpieces that warm your space. It actually sounds a little bit also, this text is probably also created by AI. So from the first moment, it looked a little bit like AI image or like created by AI. So you see this label here on the left bottom, AI modified. So basically, Pinterest algorithm detected that this image was created or modified by AI. This is the labels, Gen AI labels, as I was explaining before. And you can see that it's going to show you different images. Some of them from the like a first sight, you see that they are really not that realistic. If I see this one, yeah, exactly. You see a little bit, you can recognize what was created by AI and what was not created. You see on the right side here, I would say 90%, I'm quite sure that this one here was also created by AI. And if I click on it, for sure, yeah, AI modified. You see the difference between real image a little bit and between AI modified image or created. So what's also interesting that for example, this is one of my pins for Pinkit, which is AI assistant for Pinterest. So if you wanna, make it faster and get help with my Pinkit assistant created just for Pinterest growth and with strategy and everything, you can have a look on my website, pininspiration.com. But overall, this one is my Pinkit AI created avatar for Pinkit. This is like the Pinkit itself in this case, and this was totally created by AI because it's my avatar for the Pinkit, right? Which represent my avatar in that sense. And you see, there is no any kind of label on what or created or modified by AI, which was it's actually clear it was totally created by AI. The thing is that the difference between these images, as I was showing you, there is no other text, no brand, no logo, no overlay text, no CTA. There is nothing else, just the image. And that's also much more easier for Pinterest to recognize that it was AI created or AI modified. But you see my image. There is my brand, there is pininspiration.com, there is a Pinkit, there is an overlay text. Your AI assistant for Pinterest is finally on the market. So there is more information, and you can see also recognize this is one of my pins too. So it recognized that this is AI. I mean, it's not created AI exactly. There is no label, but it kind of with the overlay text and everything doesn't give the AI label that it was created. So you see the difference. The thing I wanted to mention today is that if you go you click on your profile on the top right corner and you go to settings, there is this new thing you can click on refine your recommendation. This was here before, like activity, interest, boards, following, etc. But this thing new, it's new here. Gen AI interest. So you can refine your recommendation, and that's why I'm showing you this today in this video, because you can make your Pinterest more you, which is actually written here. Edit the details Pinterest uses to recommend ideas to you. These details won't be shown publicly. Choose Gen AI interests you would like to see in your recommended pins. So you can actually see if you want to see, for example, home decor, which is a great category for Pinterest, one of the best. It's like the highest amount of profiles probably in this category. Home decor is a huge topic, and if you only want to see real authentic images without the label AI modified or created, you will have to untick all of these interest. So it will basically, the recommendations on your home feed will be mostly, I'm not saying 100%, but mostly will be authentic images without AI modified or created. So you should not see all of these images, like we see here with a lot of AI images, probably also this one. Yeah, exactly. See, so you should see less and less of these images, maybe close to 100% that you only see you refine your recommendations. And in this case, you will have to untick all of these categories if you don't want to see them. So this is the new for today, for this video. I want to show you that you can actually change and refine your recommendations and only see the pictures you want, the images which are not created by AI and are realistic. So you can get some ideas and a recommendation for the future on your home feed. It will be less and less AI images. So if you think I am, I can assure you this is me. This is not avatar, just because my mom told me that I am moving a lot of hands when I'm talking on these videos. So just for fun, at the end of this video, I want to share the reason behind this is because I am living in Italy and my husband is Italian. So I kind of catch this kind of body language, let's say, how Italians moving their hands. So this is like a funny story at the end. I am not avatar and I'm doing this video by myself. You can see it with the hands. So this was just like a confirmation that this is real. And I am looking forward to see you in the next video.